Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video and update on Binaryx. Kind of your daily update. I've been covering Binaryx for the last 3 days, every day. We've had a lot of movements. A lot of people obviously are looking at Binaryx right now after the token swap. What is it doing? Why are we crashing like this? We dropped down like 70% in a matter of 4 days. What's going on? So I just wanted to cover it again. I mean, we seem to have found a major support level around $1. So this will be a little bit more of a bullish update perhaps. But yeah, so we'll talk about all of that. Before we get into that, I want to tell you that if you want to receive daily trading signals, which I opened a group about 2 weeks ago, has been profitable so far for all its members, make sure to check out the links down in the pinned comment or the description. There's a Telegram group and a Discord group with instructions on how to join that group. So, all right, now let's get right into Binaryx. As most of you know, I'm not a big fan of Binaryx. All right, I think it's, excuse me, this is the old token. I think it's, I do not often call projects a scam, but I don't think Binaryx necessarily is a scam, but I don't think it's a project you should invest in. Definitely not. I mean, if you already take a look at, if you take a look at the website, to me that already says quite a lot. But apart from that, just knowing its history, which they have very cleverly erased by, or they erased at least part of it, by creating a new token, which the reasons for why they created the new token are, I don't believe them. But we talked about that enough already, but most of you know what I'm talking about, right? And even right now, if you take a look at Binaryx, I mean, as I said, we have crashed down a lot. Still a lot of volume coming from decentralized exchanges, which is unusual to say the least. And we have, yeah, so I don't know. It's I would be careful. But all right, if we take a look at the price says something else. Because we have, for the first time, the last time was around like the 25th and the 27th when we found support at around 1.3. But now for the first time we have found some support, and it's some major support. It's around $1, which is a major psychological support level, of course. So I've seen this quite a lot of times happen with cryptos, that if you find a strong support like this and you actually are able to hold it for quite a long time, which we haven't held it for a very long time, it's only been like a day, but still, and we got some bullish momentum off of it, and there's potential that we can hold it. If a crypto does that, there's quite a chance that we can rally again. So right now, Binaryx is showing some bullish momentum since like this night. We're going to reach up to this level again between like $1.08 and $1.15, and we're going to find resistance there. But the thing is that if we can actually stay at those levels, like right now, if we actually trend up, like we've been doing right now, up to those levels, and we do not get major resistance, like we do not get brought back all the way down to 95 cents, then I do think, and I think this is the most likely scenario at this point of time, just being objective, I do think we can rally all the way up to 1.25 and 1.3 again, which would be my first price target. Then I would cover it again, whether we can break that or whether we will just find resistance there and continue our bearish momentum and our downtrend. But for now, I think it's the most likely scenario that we will get up there again, which, yeah, you could consider it as quite bullish. But as I said in the beginning of the video as well, please be careful with Binaryx. Please be careful with buying Binaryx for the long term, but also with trading it. A lot of things can happen, definitely with small cryptos like this. But that's my take on Binaryx for today. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.